Hello, my name is Fayaz and welcome to Sagg Eco Village. And I do what I do because I think that's the purpose of my life, and my life journey sort of unfolded in a way and manner that prepared me to do this. I'm the best person to try an ecological entrepreneurial venture in a difficult context like Kashmir. You know, I grew up in a peasantry background and then in a political violence affected context, and fortunately for me, my journey took me outside of Kashmir and I encountered other cultures and other contexts that helped me reflect and understand my own context better. And I returned in 2010 to help other younger people sort of with that understanding, to understand the context better and make best use of their capacity. And that journey then made me realize that we needed a practical initiative of what kind of entrepreneurship was possible and that people really wanted. So that's how Sagg Eco Village was born. So thank you.